Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did this orange cut crease look today. So to start this look, I'm going to take the tart shaped tape and I'm going to be putting it on my lid and blending it out just to have a clean slate for orange. So after I've concealed my eye and primed it for eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte Palette and I'm going to go in with this red shade right here. So while blending this, I'm using a series of patting and, the circle motions just to get the pigmentation. And then towards the end, as you can see, it goes out. So I'm just going to do that. So after packing on that red, I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Dazed palette, and I'm going to be going in with that. Just putting it underneath that red, just to help blend it in. After packing on that orange, I'm going to be going in with the same palette, but in that yellow shade right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the top and just really blend it in with the red and the orange. As you see right here, I kind of have a gradient effect. So after going in with this yellow, I will be going back in with the red and orange to kind of create the ombre look that I'm going for. And again, going out to create the wing that we'll be fixing up later. So after finishing off the basic part of that eyeshadow, I will be going in and fixing it later. I'm going to grab my shape tape once again and we'll be cutting the crease. Alrighty, so after doing that, we're going to go ahead and now go in with the eyeliner. If you don't already know how to do a winged eyeliner, let me know and I will definitely make sure to bring up a tutorial on how I do that. So I like to use the Stila, the little glitter ones right here. Today I'll be using the Diamond Dust. So after finishing up the eye makeup, I'm just going to go onto my face and I'll see you in a second. Alright, so the lashes are on and now I'm going to go ahead and do the lip.
The object quit chasing and look for something better, but the smile that she shows makes me a no-kid. I haven't gone as far as asking if I could get with her. I just placed her up here and hope she gets